In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit pages in Notion. Super simple for beginners. Start by opening Notion in your browser at notion.so and logging in. If you're using the desktop app, everything looks and works the same. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the plus new page button. That instantly creates a blank page in your workspace, so you have a clean place to start. At the top of the new page, click the title field and type a clear, descriptive name. Don't worry, you can rename it anytime. Then click anywhere in the main area to begin typing your content. Notion is built around blocks, which means every paragraph, heading, list, and piece of media is its own block. This gives you tons of flexibility for organizing and rearranging your ideas. To format quickly, press the slash key to open the block menu. From there, pick what you need: plain text for regular writing, headings to create structure, bulleted or numbered lists for quick points, and more. This slash command is the fastest way to build out your page without digging through toolbars. If you want to keep related content neatly grouped, add a subpage right inside your current page. Just type page and press enter. Notion drops a linked subpage exactly where your cursor is, making it easy to nest details, notes, or resources while keeping your main page tidy. When you need to adjust a block, hover your mouse to reveal the 6-dot handle on the left and click it. This opens the blocks menu so you can tweak settings or convert the block type without retyping anything. To reorder your content, simply drag that same handle to move blocks up or down until everything flows the way you want. Cleaning up is just as simple. To delete a block, place your cursor in an empty block and press backspace, or click the 6-dot handle and choose delete. An empty block is just a new line with nothing typed in it yet. If you've built a page you want to reuse, right-click its name in the sidebar and choose duplicate. This is perfect for making templates while keeping the original intact. And to move a page elsewhere, drag it in the sidebar to the section or parent where it belongs. You'll see a highlight that shows exactly where it will land. That's the basics. You can now create and edit pages easily. That's how to create and edit pages in Notion. Quick and simple. Subscribe for more beginner tutorials.